Hey guys, Niki with Vapor Honing Technologies. We're talking today about the different types of processes in order to clean your engine parts. You can clean your parts by hand, which means you have to disassemble that part, get in and out of all of the areas by hand. It's going to be labor intensive, it's going to be time consuming. Or you could choose to use a aqueous-based parts washer. This Hydroblast has a heater inside. It's going to be up to 120 degrees. You're going to use it for 1500 PSI. This blasting nozzle has a fan or a jet spray, so you can get in and out of all of those areas that you need to clean. It's going to be able to remove that grease and grime with very little effort. It's going to save you time. It's also going to save you money. Another process that you can use to clean your engine parts is going to be wet blasting. This process uses water to cushion the abrasive. It's going to roll across your surface. It's going to not give you any kind of dust. It's also going to prevent there from being heat warping. It's going to also give you that really fine, nice finish. Now you can use the same abrasives in wet blasting as you can in dry blasting. That means that you can use glass bead, which is going to give you a like new finish. You can use aluminum oxide, which is going to remove paint, powder coat, or even prep the profile for coatings. You can also use ceramic bead, which is going to be a solid sphere. It's going to hit a little bit harder. It's going to give you more of a satin finish, but it's going to last 10 times longer than your glass bead. We offer several different machines. You've got the 800 FL Pro. We've also got plastic cabinets as an available option. So give us a call, let us know what we can help you with. So one of the other options that we have for cleaning engine parts is going to be sandblasting. This cabinet is one that we manufacture. It is a 40 by 40 by 40 size workspace inside. We do pressure pot, we also do suction. This is something that you're going to be able to use compressed air and abrasive. You can use everything from glass beading all the way to walnut shells, depends on the finish that you're looking for. Again, the abrasives are going to determine if you're getting a nice clean finish or if you are getting a polished finish. So this will have dust to it. You can use compressed air in order to spray off the dust after you're blasting. It's going to give you a quick and productive process. It's also going to save you some time. Let us know what process works best for your application. Give us a call today at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.